Hi, this is Kelsey from Inspired Elite Solutions. Today we're on Module 3, Anger Awareness. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the module as you read and take notes in response to the questions. I will ask you to pause the video throughout while you read or take notes. So open up the PDF for Module 3, Anger Awareness. I want you to read about awareness and lines of development. Pause the video. That brings us to the chart that shows levels of awareness: meta self-awareness, self-awareness, consciousness, unconsciousness. Take a look at those. Next we have self-awareness. Read about self-awareness. Pause the video. The next session is Awareness Creates Choice. This is a longer one. It goes on for a couple pages. Pause the video while you read. Next we're at Special Place Visualization. Read this section. Pause the video. And now we're at Awareness of Body. Read this section. Next we're at the first set of questions to respond to. You're going to take notes in response to these questions. What happens to your skin when you feel angry? What happens to your muscles when you feel angry? Does anything else happen to your body? So go ahead and take some notes on that. Now we're at awareness of body expression. There's a figure that shows two people communicating. Take a look at that. Next we're at awareness of anger triggers. Read that little section. There's a couple of examples, and then we're at the part that says draw an iceberg, showing just the tip above the water line. Make this in your notes, and we're going to reference it with these following questions. Think about a recent situation in your anger log. Write what you did with your anger in the space above the water line. What behavior choices did you make to deal with your anger? What happened as a result? What were the underlying feelings? Write them beneath the tip of the water line. Was the problem solved? Do you still need to tell the people involved how you felt? Evaluate your choices. What might have happened if you had chosen an assertive response to deal with your anger? So go ahead and respond to these questions on the iceberg that you drew. Next we're at emotional intelligence. Read this section. Pause the video. Now we're at, according to the psychologist Daniel Goleman, there are 5 elements that define emotional intelligence. Read about these: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, social skills. Read about these 5 things and pause the video. Next we're at some good tips. The good news is that emotional intelligence can be taught and developed. Here are some tips to get you started. Go ahead and read these tips. And that brings us to the end of Module 3. Congratulations! Your homework is to continue working on your anger log.